In the next couple chapters, we're going to talk about scene composition using lights, cameras, environment, so forth. So we're going to create a little bit of a scene to demonstrate these points. In this first section, we're going to talk about the target camera. But before we do, let's set up a little scene. Select a box under Standard Primitives. In the top view, click and drag a footprint of the box. Extrude it just a little bit. This is going to be the floor of our scene. Take another box, draw a footprint, extrude it a little bit higher, and close it. Then move it up in any of the other views. Now, select a cylinder and draw it in the corner and extrude it up to the second box. This will be the top of our table. Select the Move Transform tool, hold down the Shift key, and drag another leg over to each corner, making a copy of each one. Hold down the Shift key, click and drag, make it a copy. Hold down the Shift key, click and drag, make it a copy. I'm making a table. Select the box again, and in the front view, draw a box to the corners of the floor and extrude it just a teeny little bit. In your left view, you can move it back away from the table to the back of the floor. In the left view, create another box and draw it up to the wall and down to the floor and extrude it just a little bit. Use your Move tool, and in the front view, move it to the left. Hold down the Shift key, click and drag, and clone it to the right, and make it a copy. We now have a room with 4 walls and a floor with a tabletop on it. Now, we're going to talk about cameras. Under the Create panel, click on the Cameras button. We have 2 different camera types, a free camera and a target camera. First, we're going to talk about the target camera. Click on Target Camera, and in your left view, click to place the target camera and drag to place the camera's target. Now, in the perspective view, move your mouse over the perspective view label, right-click, and select Views, Camera 1. So now we see our world from the vantage point of our new camera. We can use the Move tool in any of the other views to move our camera back and forth and move it into the position that we want. We can also move the camera target the same way. Once you're happy with the position of your camera, you can move on to the next section.